Have you ever thought a broken log, an old pallet, or a chopped tree trunk can start a new life cycle? In the modern world, where everything can be replaced, recycling is the way for humanity to respect the value of each material, even a seemingly useless piece of wood. And at the forefront of the wood recycling industry, there are neither researchers nor engineers, but steel monsters, machines that chop, grind, and tear apart each fiber of wood to pave the way for the journey of regeneration. In the first episode of Crusher Kings, let's explore the 5 most powerful wood chipper machines on the planet. Each one is a mechanical masterpiece, but also a quiet recycler. If a crusher had a personality, the Comptec XR3000C would be your silent but formidable friend. It doesn't roar, it doesn't make a lot of dust, but when it spins, wood flies like rain. Designed in Austria, the XR3000C is fully electric, delivers up to 320 kilowatts, and is incredibly quiet. You can stand close by and still hear your thoughts. It can handle everything from broken pallets, industrial carpets, cables, mixed construction timber. The output is RDF, refuse-derived fuel, used in cement kilns or biomass plants. This is the machine for places where noise is unacceptable, but top-crushing performance is needed. Like a cellist, gentle but can make the whole stage vibrate. Imagine a truck, not carrying cargo, but carrying an industrial wood crusher on its back. That's the Dostat DH910SB. Equipped with a 768 horsepower engine, it processes tree trunks up to 90 centimeters in diameter as easily as shredding a radish. This machine doesn't wait for the wood to be delivered. It actively drives to where the tree is and chops it up on the spot. The crushed wood is used as chipboard, mulch, or pressed into energy pellets. The discharge conveyor can rotate 90 degrees, helping you dump the wood chips in the right place without the need for an extra person to move them. This is the ideal choice for places far from the factory, near the forest, cleaning up fallen trees after storms, like a gorilla crusher, quick hit, compact. If you've ever seen a tree trunk as big as a power pole and wondered, how can I crush this? The answer is the Morbark 6400XT, a true recycling tank. With an engine of up to 1,200 horsepower, more than 13 meters long, weighing nearly 44 tons, this machine doesn't just chop wood, it swallows it. A 1.5 meter wide inlet, a large rotor with quick change grinding blades, helps to quickly process large tree trunks, rotten wood, and broken branches after storms. The crushed wood chips are used as biomass fuel or agricultural mulch, contributing to the regeneration of devastated forests instead of letting them rot or be burned. In post-disaster operations, the Morbark is not just a machine, it is a hero of cleanup and value retention. There are types of wood that all other machines refuse. Wood with nails, tree roots stuck to rocks, boards stuck to cement. But with the beast, Bandit 3680XP, it is a favorite. A nearly 1,000 horsepower engine, 30 or 60 adjustable cutting teeth, a large 88 by 152 centimeters intake. It shreds bad wood into fine mulch. No filtering, no sorting. The mulch after crushing can be used to plant urban trees or as raw material for low-grade energy pellets. In mixed recycling centers, where fine filtering is not possible, Bandit is the remaining processor. And that is the hardest part. Have you ever seen someone grind wood slowly, gently, like chopping vegetables? Welcome to the Comptec Cranbo 6000. With a rotation speed of only 35 revolutions per minute, 2 counter-rotating grinding shafts, and a 600 horsepower motor. The Cranbo grinds hardwood, wet wood, wood with nails, with almost no need to stop the machine. Optimized design for processing construction wood waste, wood mixed with many light metal impurities. This is the machine for places where you need to go slow but steady, grinding correctly, long-term efficiency, not racing for speed. If you run a wood chipping plant 12 hours a day, the Cranbo is the machine you want to marry for the long term. We've gone through 5 machines, 5 approaches, 5 different technologies, but they all have one thing in common: regenerating the value of used wood. Recycling is not only a responsibility, it's also an opportunity. The opportunity for an old tree branch to become a source of winter heating, a rotten pallet to become luxurious flooring in a new home. And at the heart of that opportunity are the machines you've just seen. Like and subscribe to continue following Crusher Kings, a series where machines are not only powerful, but also carry a great mission: to save resources from what has been forgotten.